Sonic. Lab.
TV.
Okay, this is an addition to the full review of Razor, which I've already posted online. This is just a run-through of a bunch of sounds. One thing that is here that wasn't in the full review is a lot of vocoder patches, which I must say are really quite impressive. I mean, they're quite heavy on CPU, but they sound pretty damn awesome to my ears. So stay tuned and enjoy some of the patches that Razor can offer.
Razor has a very good vocoder. Here is a polyphonic vocoder. The articulation is pretty damn good. I can understand this. Simple vocoder, good for the soul. More weird vocoder. Some of these vocoders are actually pretty good. I like 'em, I like 'em, I like 'em. Very smooth indeed. Oh yeah, this is more your classic robot voice. Oh, 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 oh. Hey. sky. Oh my goodness, this one's got a lot of bottom end.